Simplify, then add lightness. Lotus's motto can be seen here in its track-focused small sports car, the Exige S. Launched in 2000, it's been the big brother to the ELISE, and it's the one that you want. With a V6 instead of the ELISE's inline-four, it makes 345 horsepower. But it only weighs 2,400 pounds. That lightness means 0 to 60 takes only 3.8 seconds. It has unassisted steering, giving you pure road feedback. The car has grip in places others can only imagine. It's definitely some of the most fun you can have in a sports car.